it's Gina with WTI. If you're looking for a new light fixture and you want something that is mid-century modern looking and is super easy to install, you can't go wrong with this one that we got from Phaosio. Number one, this is a hanging chandelier Sputnik style, which was exactly what we wanted with the black and gold accents. It has a hinge on the base, so it can actually hang up to 180 degrees. As you can see, we hung this on one of the rafters in the warehouse, and this was such a perfect setup because we didn't have to worry about it being flush to the ceiling. We could hang it on the side, and look at that, it hangs perfectly. Also, this is adjustable, so it has 4 different segments that you can add to it, so you can actually have it hang up to 51 inches. Because of the lower ceilings in this area, we went with just the first segment, and we cannot believe how beautiful this is and what a nice area it covers. This is really budget friendly, and it's a good option if you want that really gorgeous style without breaking the bank. I was able to put this together myself in just a matter of like 15 to 20 minutes. As a tip for getting the wires inside, I would suggest for the bottom row, pushing the wires up, and then you can screw the poles in. And then for the top ones, push the wires down, obviously, and then you can screw it in as well. We're so pleased with this light, and we think that you will be too, but that's just our point of view.